Hello my dear students, a warm welcome. So this video is about Rocket Revision Batch announcement for CA Final May 22 exam. So the recent result, November 21 result or December 21 result was so amazing across CA, CMA and CS. I'm really happy because many of my students became successful and I'm happy that I became a small part in their journey, and even very good ranks also we got this time, and lot of students got 80 plus. So really happy to share this information with all of you. And Rocket Revision Batch for last 4 attempts to 5 attempts I have been taking, and that was a tremendous success because you won't believe, after exams or after result, lot of students were sending that messages about, sir, your rocket revision videos or revision videos have helped us a lot in writing the exam or in clearing and scoring 60 plus. I'm really happy to receive that messages from you, and it's time for May 22 students. There is a new rocket revision batch with amendments and updated provisions and a new perspective and strategy we are going to see. That is on 28th, 29th and 30th March 2022 from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. live in YouTube. You can see the description below for the YouTube link, and please don't miss attending the classes. And is this classes available even after live? Yes, you can watch it till the time you go for the exam. One day before exam also you can completely see this video and you can go for the exam. So this will be there at any time, you can watch it. So you can give your importance to other subjects, and whenever you feel like you wanted to prepare, you can definitely do that. So live, yes it is, and offline, yes it will be. The same link will be available. Second, sir, what is that you are going to cover? So 3 days of 7 hours each day. So which means that, so 21 hours. What is that, sir, you're going to discuss? So this 21 hours, I'm going to divide into 2 parts. 15 hours I'm going to devote on all the concepts discussion. Thereafter, the remaining time I'm going to devote on the problem solving. So around 6 hours we get. In that, we are going to discuss mighty 50 questions. I selected some hardcore questions which can be expected for the forthcoming exams. So those questions we are going to discuss in this rocket revision this time. So this time rocket revision is not only the theory but also the practical. So 50 the best top questions we are going to learn, and that's about the strategy. And this time maybe there could be more importance onto the other areas in GST, because quite a long time they did not touch upon areas like offenses, penalties, appeals, advanced ruling, returns, then even refunds, then miscellaneous provisions like liability to pay tax. So these areas were untapped. So there is a possibility that questions can be asked this time on these areas. So therefore, this time rocket revision batch, I will be giving more importance onto the procedural areas. So therefore, this will be completely different from what we have learned previously. Okay, so I am just changing the strategy so to cope up with the exam attempt for May 22. And students, so I really expect you to make this a grand success, and please share this video as much as you can to all your friends and those who are in needy and those who are preparing for May 22 exam. From where I will be taking these classes? From my That's It book. So That's It book has become a superb hit. Last time around 4,000 books got sold. This time around 5,000 books we have printed and everything got sold. So that has become a massive hit. So therefore, from that book only I am going to take class. If you want to purchase the book, the description is there below this video. You can purchase it. It is 300 rupees and including the courier. So you will be receiving the book. So by 28th March, so ensure that you are getting the book. So I'll be taking classes from that. And mighty 50 questions from my solved workbook and other sources. I'm going to share the PDF. So when the lecture is there, so at the time I will be sharing that PDF also. So you will be getting it. Then many students are having this apprehension about, so what is the way in which we need to prepare, etc. and all. Don't worry, dear. So this 3-day rocket revision will give you an insight into the subject which you have already prepared, which you have attended the classes. So now this is the best revision what you are going to do. Plus, every week I have uploaded solved workbook revision and that videos are also available. So what you need to do? So 2 books religiously you need to follow. That's It book and solved workbook. That's It book and solved workbook. Okay. So That's It book contains the summary of the provisions. Solved workbook contains problems and solutions. These 2 books I am revising and it is there in my YouTube channel. So That's It book revision I am going to do on 28, 29 and 30, and solved workbook revision already I started. I am uploading that. So if you have already attended the lectures, this will be the best for you. And if you are about to start your preparation now, attended classes like 1 year before, then you can purchase the revised book, and the updated revised book is getting released in 1 week now. So therefore you can buy that if you require. But by this time you would have already attended multiple classes, so it's a revision time. So my suggestion is these 2 books, That's It book and solved workbook, purchase that, and I'm anyhow doing the revision from that. It will be helping you a lot. And I'm always there for you. I will definitely give my support and ensure that you are becoming successful. Thank you all. Please pass on this message to everyone.